a stupidness because in some same bad man. Some say fuck that. Me I put my foot down. So them I got tell them truth on me. So whatever satisfy me along the way, satisfy me. All who want and follow do it. Follow him back, not follow him. It doesn't matter if you know want and follow me back or follow me or not. It does not bother. Your mama pussy tongue are germs. Germs like up in your mama thinking hole. Go get some vinegar and put it in a little hot water and dig out your mama your pussy hole where have germs in it. And that if you talk about before you reach to my husband. And I stink like and me and do it. When me and do it just come. Yeah, we deserve each other. And we are fight to the blood clot. And him still there they see me no matter what attack. So go ahead. On a stink like you think no this doing this. Pantapa do with this me. This is this. So if him this me, who the fuck I only think I got this him. Me ball out same this man, me ball out now this him to that no work. So how comes it alright for honor this do it? But it not alright for do it this me. No reason make me no reason man. Talk to me. My husband this me and me come and say I don't like the way my husband talk to me. Some stop come disgrace. And I can't tell me if you don't like it to turn on because I know each up on my blood clot for like tampons in a pussy now. So if me never talk about doing over there, so I don't come listen for. Do we down there all who want fuck and go and go get fuck cause I come in to cock it, Lego. Anybody want fuck, go and go take fuck. Go on. Back to the reason now. Let me show now a hypocrite. Let me show now a blood clot hypocrite. Mad man, me no mad. I own a blood clot, mother crazy. Crazy, me say. Let me show now hypocritically you lot are. Me come and say, this man disrespect me and I'm a husband. That's my truth. Ain't it? You all go watch Dewey stories, the Queen, the things in repost with Queen. He's making fun of her. I not even know what they can do is something, but listen, I'm sure now, hypocritically on the art. It's a morning devotion. It's about respect I'm here talking about, isn't it? And me alone want to do it, a liar, tell you, a fool yourself if you say so. The whole on the blood clot I read for do it. Girl, we have man, we have 100 girl man. When I have no man, girl, we have girl, and just one piece of do it because of the way I behave over do it. And because do is do it. Everywhere me go, they just thought, oh, do it, but back to the reason. And now this trap me. So now me as a queen come out and say, I want more respect from my husband. Yeah? He might disrespect me because I don't like how him talk. But you know want type and talk for disrespect him, that don't make no sense, please. It's disrespect I come over here and talk about. So disrespect goes for every and anybody from you have life because we are human in it. So now, may I claim for him look into himself and say all of him going and you want disrespect him? What the fuck gonna feel like? No, married to do it. Understand on yourself and get a hold on yourself. What you want me to do is come here and be an hypocrite to honor for me gonna know say, why do it treat me good and it's nice and imperfect. I want perfect. No, me not come show off for you. You understand? Me not come show off for you. Me make a perfect, dirty, blood clot example for showing what great woman got through. And what great woman now take. And what great woman understand. And that's the lesson of the queen. Me is a perfect blood clot example for every relationship. So when it's nice, you see the nice time. When it's rocky, you see the rocky time. When it's disrespectful, you see the disrespectful time. And that's the game of the queen here. To sit here and teach my girl them to make them know that me, all of my queen, as hot as me look, and as famous as me is, the things I am going through, the thing that I sit down and take. That is what I am teaching you lot. Me not beg no for sorry for me. Me not want to sorry for my nasty blood clot emotion and my germs and blood clot self. You understand me? Do we have intent, baby, don't have nothing to do with my respect that I am demanding. Me still a telling a dirty blood clot drunker. Say, none of blood clot now come over here come this doing. My husband will give me nice time, good time, the best time he married to me. Him stand by me when him stand by me. You understand me when I needed him most. So you see me now, Queen, as the positive person I am going to remember the good time and I'm going to sit and have faith and hope. The yam head that I am proud of being a yam head. Take a break from internet. Me just start here that you see me sting win. Me a sting winner. You see my price yesterday and not today price. I'm very valuable. You fucking need that. Me can't take break my work. That's sure that's bad mind. Yeah, my husband need to mature and he will mature. I'm giving him his chance. I know him the young. Oh no, nah, this my husband. Me I telling her that all if do we come now and this me and telling a public set. Him hate me. I still I defend my husband. It's about respect. You understand me? So me can't dare preach respect. You need to be careful because we are Fansville. When I can't beat the way, I help on a dirty blood clot beat the way. When I eat that, I can't beat him in our mind. When I fans and I have scratch on the body and go wash on the pussy and drink the water same way. I want to I real life this. On a blood clot real, me and do it real. So know the difference of understanding yourself of dirty blood clot fans and follow me now. And so much more fans me I go get in a fucking jackass. That's why I don't name fans. Because we bring something on the table to make Uno becomes our fans. So it goes along with respect. So if I got disrespect me because of our fans, I got disrespect back on a dirty blood clot. Know the difference. I am the one that's reigning. I am the one that's relevant. That's why I am the celebrity. That's why I am the talk about. Me be the talk about because I am who I am. So Una have to come over my page, build me up, make me get blue tick, make me get bigger and bigger from December 26th, my win sting. I just blew up in the ear, sir. And I get a blue tick right behind that. So you reason with me now. If you tell me come off of the internet, you want to stifle my career. I'm excited over my career. You know, so I run left my son's birthday. You know, so I run left my husband in Jamaica for my career. For my work with me, I have a Bristol for God. That's a real fucking hard-working woman. Crying inside. Oh, she put in the bed. What's up? My black here. I fuck her attack. I fuck her greedy. I hate when people chat shit to say. I hate when people chat shit. But true, me have a whole heap of chat for going about. Fun will be there for if him this year again. Oh, none of blood clot you can't beat my husband. And a phone a place. You hear that? Blood clot you can't beat my husband. I got beaten a dirty blood clot man and a stinking brother. Where this so much in girl and I can't talk about that. I do know why I use the blood clot take set pan. None of you can't take no set pan my husband. You hear the all of him in a 10 pussy right now I whine. She and the comments me. Queenie B Yamed is choice if you don't need. Move on a blood clot. You know, see my height. My height. So if I drop on my blood clot face, you don't have no respect for that blessing. Come off drunk and come lick up my bottle wall. Move on a dirty blood clot. No, this do it over here. I have my chat the way a million blood clot time. Still not make none of this because I'm my husband. I want to learn blood clot man as I understand big woman I talk about. How the fuck me for over here so my husband disrespect me. I mean I like how my husband talk to me and the words them say I call me crazy. I mean I name no blood clot crazy doing. Find a nice name to talk to your wife. Crazy. How much blood clot time. Things like that what I don't like. No, I got this him feet. You hear that? Me no like him talk to me. And that's the fucking moral of the story. That no mean to say me and him never have nice time, good time, lovely time. Make me feel good. So I don't want me to sit down and I'm crying inside. Can't do it. This is statement. No, do it treat me nice as well. So I don't remember the part there. Well, me no want to remember it. Me remember it. Lady Queen Yamhead. Lady Queen do it / wife Yamhead. Anyone who want to put it Yamhead. But kind of fun, the one little disrespect and things the man do, no go and take 10 more man disrespect. Me not do that. Me nah sit down and make 10 more blood clot man come. Me nah know what lie me with table. You deserve better. And man to treat the all man in a necktie to blood clot. The thing them with them do man out cigarette per woman. Them torture woman at least my blood clot husband not torture me. Let me tell you that. So enough for under the year attack. Gonna get some awful treatment. Hey, what I'm tall up? Morning. I went to go learn. Them too fucking rude. I just want to sit down and see my life. I told me a celebrity, I'm important. That's the only reason why I'm not going. So, but right now, as I don't speak, when I go live one big disgrace, I'm fighting in the yard. What happened fucking morning? Please stop explaining me. Now I'm not better for the girl. I'm a job. I want to you. So, him this. What? Him this. Her kids, and that is it. So weird, him think she said him this her kid. Any blood clot thing ever come over here come so you not sure it upon internet. And it's still no matter what I say, I still my husband, I'm still telling her, no fun right now, I mash up on a blood clot here down the house as I speak. Someone not just done fight and war. Family drama, move on a dirty blood clot. Oh no, my family nana blood clot, you know, can't tell me for them. My bad, I'm a win sting. My official and artist. I'm on the fucking map. I see my opportunity, may I take it. Yeah, drink milk and sin for me. Oh, God. Oh, God, baby. You want to give me a hug because I need love? Right back at you. I want to give you a love because you need love. Me no need love. Me get love more than anybody else in the world. Like me telling the son of meds not right. That's why none of them can conquer me. Me, Queenie, don't need love. Right now, me have 912 people on my page. And me I tell you the amount of love. Show them some love. Show me some love, my Raya crazy. Let me show you some. Me no need love. You understand me? One thing, and never hear me come over here come ball for love. Never. My husband, I love me we married. So you see if him leading we and the fuckery, I can stand firm beside him because I remember the good nice time when we in my elevate. I mean if I June plum. Yeah. So I'm not going to allow it. I'm hype, you know. I not wait for you to tell me, you know. I do a hype. You know much dirty blood clot water and throw up on me, you know this. You know much this and this, my nasty blood clot I run me. Him need to stop beating you. Do it not beat me. Now you that you not think I should beat, girl. Do it can't beat me. What my memories we don't know with life. Go for ER. Go show me do this something and them ask me. People have confrontation in a life. When man get up and beat woman, man beat your thump, you kick your back till it giddy. No, men do always have rascal physical confrontation. Me not call that beating. Cause me not take blood clot man beating, cause me beat out back them blood clot. You understand? On a two enough. Him what else him need for do? Him need to come beat you too. Him need to come find you and beat you. That's what him need to do. I can't share my life for me a babe. And me have to share my own life. See me I get love there. Chat shit. I don't need love. Sometimes I wonder, they're not coming so terrible. So much people love me. People run and piss up themselves, shit themselves. Me not talk joking. People get diarrhea when them say, what do you mean by me need love? I am loved. You don't make any sense, and my husband love me too. So work out the difference between respect and love. We're not confused. You understand? People too hateful. We're not confused. I'm married to that man to stand by him, and I'm standing by him. I don't him disrespect, I'm still a stand by him. So when I said to me, I think if them do it call me now, I said to me, say crazy. Something happened to me are crazy because him disrespect me, and I go, look, that is not me. So I need to learn and know who is Queenie. Your husband hates your Queenie. I know, but me love him. You understand me? Me not sit down and make no corrupt me. Me not corrupted. When me fucking upset, I say upset things and do upset things, me still have a conscience. You hear that? You sound confused. You sound dunce. If you never dunce, you would be confused. If you was not dunce, you would not be confused. You would not say me sound confused, but you're dunce. If you have reason to humanity and life and stigma and life, you would understand where I'm coming from as a married woman. You married because that was the only option. It don't matter, baby, I'm still married. Me never want a more option. Me never want 100 man to have options. So me want to have that one special June plum for be the options. And it's not going to be easy. So the easy way is not going to be easy. And it's hard at the hard time now. I still have put my foot down. My dad, so now you dead. When I sip and do it, it's maga and look, smell and sick. Well, looks are deceiving, baby. Big, fat, nice, juicy Rochelle cancer name her down. Looks are big deceiving, baby. Rochelle not alive. I look how she's juicy and sexy. And Marga do is alive. So I have to respect the fact that's my husband and he's alive. Do it there with Jamaica with girl. One girl, only for girl him down there with. The whole of Jamaica we want him. For you, so hungry so early in the morning. For me, rich me, I send back poor me to the pit of hell. I'm not poor, I'm rich. I'm rich in health, I'm rich in spirit. I'm rich in life, and I am rich in music and love. Fuck that you just talk. Then me could have allowed your mama take abuse and hide it for you. All right. Then me could have allowed my mama for your maid. You can't tell your mama who for fuck a fuck you attack, girl. You see, people like you know nothing about no mother. Uno mama do all kind of dirty stuff, man. Every dirtiness me do my pity them know. That's how love I am, baby girl. They have to accept me for who I am. They do accept me for who I am. So all when them blood clot shame, them have to put the bush out of them head and say them shame again. And no, it's your mom. Your mama take coke. Your man, our man do all blood clots out of you know nothing about your mama. You can't chat to blood clot. But they there Jamaica, this big nice sexy woman from America. If he use me for Sheila her blood clot pitney for go fuck the Jamaica man. Oh, them have to know so their mama gonna take blood clot for who bring them panga dirt. I want to blood clot. No pitney can't dictate to me. No pitney. I want to know. So what the thing say? I pitney run my show. One could have young, one could have blood clot. Well, not pitney to run my show. Ask my kids them if them can run my show. My kids them have to sit back and pray for them, madam. Queenie let Dewey lose enough of abuse, of the abuse. What that? Queenie let Dewey lose enough. Oh, let him lose? You can't, oh, no, you can't tell me when or if I let lose. None of you cannot dictate to me. I just have to sit and listen to me movie. I'm a cussing no dirty blood clot for my husband. So all who want unfollow him, I hate him. I hate him and unfollow him. But none of blood clot you can't tell me for that. None of you can write no disrespect on this. Anybody disrespect him, a class on a dirty blood clot and black my husband. So how me about to my husband disrespect me and I think when I come disrespect the way and tell me, oh, because him abuse and him this is not the same thing when I do. Child abuse. Go put your mama pussy in the toilet. When your mama kiss, push her down in the toilet and make her pussy go in the toilet bowl. Whoa, I wonder how much more girl in breed. I don't know I wonder about. Do you have any deal breaker? What is a fucking deal breaker? Or saying enough things? What is a deal breaker? What kind of deal you want? Do we marty that route to do it and do it later than what master JB Entertainment. JB that? I'm not JB. Who this? Bench JP. Do we let it down? I never know say they go gamble pando. No fucking outside of the fucking gamble pando. No, nobody get care and gamble pan people. No fucking rude. Me not busy. I don't busy on no one blood clot. So my body and my page. Now who not like it to come off of this and follow me and go. In the next day with your sister after tree, I your sister and my fuck same time. You know what I'm talking about? That's not real. I know your sister alone. I fuck the two sister them. I fuck you or your sister over after tree. Fuck on my problem, you know. If you fuck out to no dirty blood clot, after them done fucking, I remember me. I say, oh, Queenie, Queenie, you ever need to left Queenie? I mean, you know, you married to Queenie from my earth up on a blood clot head. Go ahead, do it the threesome with your sister. Talk so the way I fuck out the two on a blood clot. Cause the way I not careless, that's why I not to call me Yamed. The way I not careless, any blood clot thing can fuck on her. Fuck on no auntie, no cousin, no mama, everybody. None of blood clot them can fuck me because me is Yamed. For do it. Do it, Yamed. Yeah? See my baby and me alone there. That's why I wake up because my auntie that miss my husband. Yeah, I miss my husband. None of blood clot and I'm married to do it back. Yeah! And the thief do a blood clot ring. And I do it sell the ring. You know, but do for the ring. I want the thief it out on the blood clot, sell it and take it and can't come going on. Me not hurt inside my heart or win sting. Ha ha. Me relevant. The father will never marry. What happened, London? What's up, Daniel? Him too crying. Boy, you're late. If you did have fun, did I know to do it crying in his turn, man? Every day you come to the business, move your ass. Move your ass, your clot, and your pussy clot. Go ahead. Move your... Let me pin her comment. Let me make you get like a followers. I will run gone. Move my ass. Let me make you get like a followers. Every day you come chat to your business, move your ass. You sound foolish. You sound like you live in a last part behind cow. Then because that make me be who me is. Why you think the world love me and I run me down? Because I speak my truth. I'm not care nobody wants to come up bad. Anybody this time I talk. What fuck that you talking? If this is marriage, you absolutely right now want it. Nobody know why you for marriage because them know you're gonna fuck on them. Yeah, you them know you're gonna fuck on them and take 10 more man because them this year. That's why no man not married to you. Do married to me because you know some have blood clot sense and I can't lick sense in my head. To go sell. To carry go cash for gold. Yeah, if you want out on it for sell for carry go cash for gold. But try dead. Fuck her, no. No fuck her, no, I get trouble. I'm not going to charge me. That's what I got enough for that one reality show. Big up accept for who me is, for being real and truthful. I mean, not cover up nothing for blood clot, please. You know. I talk my truth, I feel good, I'm free. I'm peaceful. Only not peaceful. Because I'm not living in denial. Because I'm not start out for my life of food. When I start out my life of food, no stay. But so on the son, I don't have no problem, don't. Listen, marriage don't mean thing is going to be perfect, okay? Marriage means you have a union, you make a commitment, and you have to. Me wrong and strong? All right, tell me I'm wrong and strong now. Let me pin you. Me hear reason. You want to come talk to me live? Let me hear reason. Tell me I'm wrong and strong now. Let me hear reason. Big up the queen. Thank you. You will never have him for yourself. Never. You don't see how him treat. Oh, what a stupid. What you know when we will have? What do you know? Do we don't have no woman? You know why me telling them my truth now about my husband and me believe? My husband don't have no woman. You know why here? Let me find back that comment here. Wrong and strong. That's not sweet. I love your spirit, but I think people have issue with how you being treated. They see what, but maybe you just don't care. You don't make no sense. I fuck your talk, baby. Hold on and talk, fuck. Where woman come to me and look for pain? Now type too fast. I'm going to tell you the truth. Now, you say, we'll never have to do it for myself. I have to do it for myself because do is my husband. When do run away and do him fuckery, I can't speak for that. When me and my husband they in a good health and good harmony, I have husband for myself. If my husband disrespect me and I don't like it through over a period of time, the thing that he said to me, and I put them all in the basket like when I shop online. And enough is enough, I'm come and talk. Oh, when you come back and tell me, me no know this, and me no know disrespect, and him disrespect, and when I go take it, when I come off from my blood clot, and I leave my husband and go clean out to no dirty house like when I'm back. Go and go clean out to no dirty blood clot house, and come help me clean out my backyard. Go ahead. You can't tell me when me for blood clot, I fight for my husband. My husband. Back to the reason now, Mr. Do not have no woman. Let me tell you why I know my husband have no woman. You see the one fuck wanna get and the phone him depend constantly with the woman. That's not a relationship. Wake up. Talk the truth of God of the man. It's like when you go backward and you get your pay, you go buy like a pussy. Your house fully clean, that's good for you. My one big and dirty. When you go backward, you go buy like a pussy. And that do we get from a little cool pussy. We not doing have no relationship. Relationship we have to have bonds, get up and do things together and know each other ups and downs. Which one now do we have that? Me on a reason. Pregnancy and a relationship with the nurse. Fuck her when him did run in the summer. And she depend this I watch every day when me talk, she still when go back a ball. Fucking the nurse and seeing the first nurse 3 times after that. That's a relationship I'm telling you, man. I'm a queen and relax on herself. I am the fucking queen. No one in a fool on herself and thinking I can't fool me. Do you have no blood clot, woman? In my phone, have woman where and when? How? Remember me a queen. If him have 100 blood, yes, well, I still not understand the strength of me as a woman. Me not dash for my relationship. For non-relationship. No, me not bad. I'm strong and bad because my husband is mine. And doing not dash me for none of blood clot. You know, I bet you I'm going to change to the day Escada birthday. If do we have a relation thing and win, if do we have a relationship, I may fool myself. Yo! And do we were crying in a blood clot when I say Marga where the crying in his turn me. Prove me Queenie wrong then. Because we're in the month of January and it's almost end. So me I wanna go see if him no love me cause love conquer blood clot hard. Me there ya so. I'm gonna take my flight, come back. Him there so. So we will see. Watch the blood clot drive. Do we have relationship with woman and baby mother? As I said to you, me not take no more blood clot disrespect. So all the blood clot, you know, bridge have to burn. Me not ask you do it, and me not ask them. I'm me the blood clot queen. Me rain. Me sting on blood clot wing. Me have authority. You understand me? Me I stand up firm for my husband. None of blood clot you know, can intimidate me. You hear that? Me do it go and go buck up in blood clot too. Fuck who him want fuck. Cause my for blood clot test him cocky and him cocky good. And that's the next thing. No fun of day as attack. On the man bring germs and disease to you. My husband bring the blood clot germs and disease to me. So regardless, we come same breed with a woman. Me still can't stand up proud for that. When I chat to blood clot me, I own delusional. Sit down and watch the blood clot ride. My queen, I'm a real. And I am relevant. None of blood clot to none are relevant like me. You see when him itch up a blood clot, Jamaica kind of phone a pussy, And him come out and remember the love when me give him and me take care of him. Me. Bet. Uno and Dewey, I'm gonna blood clot change my run, but my cat, me saying bad mind. You soon see bad mind out there. When girl pitney want money, honey, and body, and Dewey lock off that blood clot and now look for no dirty blood clot because he miss him wife, because him half a blood clot miss me. I like, yeah, blood. Whatever I use condom, yes, I know him cocky good and clean. So you can dictate. When I see the last time I got Womaton got do pussy test and paid for in our October. So uno can blood clot treatment gonna go. Watch the ride. You see like on sit down. Nobody laugh, no. Uno always a laugh. I always when him come back when I go laugh, see me. Leave me and my husband alone. None of blood clot no dirty man now get for fuck me. So I go tell him the same because I say, you know me I fuck the wife. No, I will forever do it. You do it. Yeah, baby. Don't cry, Queenie. It's not crime time, girl. It's not blood clot time. I think we not the whole world I run my dog. Oh, I'm tear, girl. My heart plus tax. You know, see my heart plus tax. Yes, I'm supposed to shame. I don't know them shame from me saying my pussy. Shut the fuck up. My pity them love me. And sister, I got through a lot and I work hard. So whatever shame, them stand by me with it. That's the difference with my family. I'm very family orientated. So it's when them see me go through all these struggle and all I want to do make them love me more than I idiot. Yeah, but pity them love me. Don't do it my ad plus tax. That's so when them come at Jamaica and all and them say, Mom, I know you was famous, but seeing these people every 2 minutes. You hear that? I pity them come see the life. I see the honor I get. Them not put disrespect in front of them mother baby. My opinion, them not shame on me and they will never shame me. They will hurt about things but never shame on me. Them do them my strong and faithful and bad and mighty and important. You see the importance of me, yeah? It's so sweet. I'm important to everybody. The babies, the toddlers, the newborns, Queen, every little pitney. You know, you're doing something say last night. I wasn't even on the live. Me used to do it up on the live. And the boy just walked down and say, Daddy, can I have Queenie's number when I